This is the unboxing video of one of the fastest power bank for your mobiles and gadgets. When it comes to the brand, it is Ambren. Ambren is best for its power bank, Bluetooth speakers, earphones, trimmers, chargers, etc. I ordered this product from Flipkart and I will share the price too. In market, there are many fast and super power banks are available and most of you are using the Mi power banks. This is how the package comes, and inside we are having the actual package of power bank. When it comes to price, I got this one for 494 Indian rupees. Actually, I purchased it during the sales. Now the price is 100% more than this. This power bank having a capacity of 10,000 mAh. On the sides, they given the features of this one. The best beauty of this power bank is it delivers an output of 20 watts. Also, Type-C input and output is there. On the box, they given the input and output as follows. Input it supports through Type-C only with 15 watts or 20 watts. Output it supports from both Type-C and Type-A. It delivers 15 watts and 20 watts. The charging time on the box they given as up to 4.5 hours. On the box, MRP is given as 1599 Indian rupees. Let's see what are the contents we are getting inside the package. Inside we are having power bank, a cable, user manual and a carrying bag. The entire power bank is made up of plastic and in hands it's very slim to hold. Let's see this side by side of Mi Pocket power bank and this one. I'm going to test this and update the good and bad things in the review. Alright, this is the full review of this power bank. I almost used this one for to charge my mobiles to check how fast it is, and also I tested the charging time to know how much time does it take to charge from 0 to 100%. Now let's go into the review, starting from the first. It is the design. The design is looking good. It actually feels like I'm holding a mobile in my hand. That much slim is there. It's not the slimmest power bank available right now. When compared with Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro and the side by side, you can see the differences in weight. The entire power bank is made up of with plastic, and the plastic they used not feeling premium. In hands, it's very smooth and slippery. At least they would have give some extra texture to it. So for the design, I will give 7 out of 10. Next is the charging. This power bank supports max 20 watts output. If you recall my previous video, I already posted the unboxing review of the Samsung S20 FE 5G mobile. If you didn't watch that video, watch in the card section. I will leave the links in description box also. That mobile supports max 25 watts of charging as well as 15 watts of charging. But this power bank gives max 20 watts only. I tried to charge the mobile and the mobile is showing fast charging. If my mobile is charged 25 watts, it will show like super fast charging. If it is charging with 15 watts, it will show fast charging. This power bank is giving 15 watts output to charge my mobile, not 20 watts. Because my mobile doesn't support the 20 watts charging technology. And also I don't have any mobile which supports 20 watts. I think most of the mobiles supports 18 watts or 25 or 15 watts like that. Most of the mobiles doesn't take 20 watts as input. Even I tried with OnePlus 5 which supports 18 watts, but the power bank stopped automatically after charging it for a while because the power bank gives only 15 watts as well as 20 watts output only, and this OnePlus supports only 18 watts or even below than 10 watts. Also, many of the mobiles are nowadays or support like 15, 18, 25 or even 30 watts or even 65 watts also you can observe nowadays. Instead of 20, if they given the exact numbers that many of the mobiles are supported, then it would be really great. So the charging wise, I will give 6 out of 10 the rating for this power bank. And next is aesthetic, look and feel. It also comes under design section, but the minor design which makes this power bank more good for looking. It's having an orange color tint for a USB type A port, which is actually really good. Also, side LED light indicators are there, which is very common for all the power banks. But the good thing is, if it is charging fastly, a green light will glow, which means that the mobile is fastly charging. So nice to see that. So if they given like some minor improvements, it would be really great for a user who use it for longer of time. So I would give 7 out of 10 for aesthetic look and feel. And finally, number 4 is the charging time. I used my 15 watts charger to charge it from 0 to 100%. The charging time is of course more than 3 hours or 3.5 hours it is taking, and on the box they given like 4.5 hours, because it differs if you charge this power bank with different types of chargers, which gives different types of outputs. For example, it supports max 20 watts input as well as the output. If you are having 20 watts charger, you can charge it fastly than the timings I'm telling right now. If you charge this power bank with 20 watts charger, you will see drastic differences in time than I'm telling right now. It's totally different from charger to charger as well as the branding. So the charging technology is different, and I would like to give 8 out of 10 for this. It's very tight condition for me to tell whether the power bank is good or not, but according to my usage, I would tell this power bank is really good one because of its output as well as the design and the looks, as well as the pricing is also very good and reasonable. If you purchase during the sales, you will get even a little bit low than actually I'm telling. And right now you can also see the MRP in Flipkart. Also, I leave the links of Amazon and Flipkart in the description box. If you are going to purchase any product, please feel free to check those links. If you purchase through the links, then it would be free for me. So overall, I would conclude this video with 2 points. Number 1 is for traveling, for students, for office work people, and who is having power cuts, random power cuts in their home. This power bank is a great deal and great option for you. Even there are many of the power banks are also available in the market. You have to think twice before purchasing. And number 2 is I already posted the Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro, which is having the 10,000 mAh capacity, as well as the output is differ than this one, and also it looks like very small but little bit bulkier. So if you missed that video, in the cards I given the link, go and check that. So that's all about the unboxing as well as the review of these Amaranth power bank, guys. Hope this video would really helpful for the people who are going to purchase this power bank. And if you're having any doubts regarding this power bank, and I know in your brain you are having some different questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Soon I will reply as soon as possible. That's all about the video. My name is Rahul Shekhar and you are watching Tech Bunny, and I will catch you in the next one.